In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest account private so you can easily turn on private mode of Pinterest and then switch back to public mode. So here, if your Pinterest account is on public mode and you want to make it private, this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to make Pinterest account private, all you need to do is click on the Pinterest icon and log into your Pinterest account. Then once you log into your Pinterest account, click on the profile icon at the bottom right if you're using an Android. Now on your profile page like this, click on the three dots at top right and then click on settings. Now click on profile visibility. Then wait for this profile visibility page to load. Under profile visibility, turn on profile profile. Then you should see review your followers. You may not need to review, or you want to review them, not now. There you go. Your Pinterest account will be made private. So this is how to turn or make Pinterest account private. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.